love it so genuinely, baby. Why are you doing these things to me? Hey, it's like magnet to steel. Yeah, she pulling me. Yeah, it's like magnet to steel. The girl a pull me. Hey, she give me love in the morning, give me at supper time. She give me all of the kisses, she give me all one of a kind. And I could never leave, I have to make this baby mine. That's what Tipsy told me. Princess, you are a one of a kind. That's why magnet to steel, the girl a pull me. Magnet to steel, the girl a pull me. I take her to the mountain top, give her the cream of the crop. And the style of love I gave is solid, solid on a rock. We talk about love, we don't discuss about devotion. I give her love and satisfaction. But I'll never leave that girl, cause she will surely be mine. Cause the love she gave to me with one of a kind. It is magnet to steel, the girl a pull me. Magnet to steel, can't you believe me? Hey. And whenever she goes, she just leaves sweet memory. And I will tell you in another way, she take a piece of me. And she leaves sweet memory that can be remembered in our history. I have to take her for my wife and then build my family. Because magnet to steel, the girl a pull me. Magnet to steel, the girl a pull me. Magnet to steel, can't you believe me? Oh hell no. Magnet to steel, the girl a pull me, pulling me, showing me the deepest affection. And I in turn showing her sweet emotion. Give her my love is dead. Cause if I don't do that, it's like this love like B.S. boy. And I want to make that girl know that's who I am, and what kind of loving she will expect from me, her man. Oh, I'll give her the love, I'll show her my emotion, and I'll lead Tipsy all the way and show her the right direction. Magnet to steel, Tipsy a pull me. Magnet to steel, me baby pull me. Magnet to steel, can't you believe me? She pull me here, she pull me there, she pull me everywhere. Tipsy you pull me like she just don't care. She just pull me up and pull me down and give me love, the best in town.